The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Greenville County, Gray County, Tornado County, and Farmland County. At 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the severe thunderstorm that had just formed at 11 a.m. has gotten stronger with wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Stay away from windows cause these storms might use basketball-sized hail. Civil authorities have issued a civil danger warning for Jarrell County and Gray County. At 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a 13-year-old boy named Andy has escaped from the SCP Foundation. He has cyan hair, wears a lime t-shirt, blue pants. If you see him, call the police immediately. It's very dangerous. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch for Greenville County, Gray County, Tornado County, and Farmland County. At 2:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the Doppler radars indicated a tornado forming. A tornado watch means that the thunderstorm has the perfect ingredients to form a tornado. Seek shelter immediately. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Greenville County, Gray County, Tornado County, and Farmland County at 3:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 5 miles southeast from Andyville. It looks like that the tornado is cyan and the clouds have a look of orange to blue color. Seek shelter immediately or evacuate the areas included. warning message. It's transmitted by the Tornado County authorities. The boy named Andy has created his own tornado and has gone mad. Seek shelter immediate.
I am back. Now hire me or live your life.
No! No! 1,000 times no! I'm sick and tired of this shit! Get somebody else to fucking do it! And most importantly, fuck you!